Welcome everyone to today's lecture on project governance and ISO 21500. I am Devarshika Nigam and I will be guiding you through the essential concepts and practices of effective project governance as outlined in ISO 21500. ISO 21500 provides high-level guidance on project management suitable for any organization, regardless of its type, size, or industry. One of the key aspects it addresses is project governance, which is crucial for ensuring that projects are aligned with organizational objectives and are delivered successfully. Definition of project governance in ISO 21500. Project governance in ISO 21500 refers to the framework, functions, and processes that guide project management activities to meet organizational goals. It encompasses the policies, regulations, functions, processes, and procedures that define the establishment, management, and control of projects, programs, and portfolios. Key components of project governance according to ISO 21500. ISO 21500 outlines several key components of project governance. Governance structure. The governance structure defines the organizational setup for project management. This includes establishing a project management office, PMO, or equivalent body, creating steering committees, and defining reporting lines. A well-defined governance structure ensures clarity in authority and accountability. Roles and responsibilities. Clearly defining roles and responsibilities is crucial for effective project governance. This involves detailing the duties of project sponsors, project managers, team members, and stakeholders. Each role must be well understood to ensure everyone knows their responsibilities and decision-making authority. Decision-making process. Decision-making processes establish how decisions are made within a project. This includes defining approval mechanisms, escalation procedures, and criteria for decision-making. Structured decision-making processes help ensure that decisions are timely, consistent, and aligned with project objectives. Stakeholder engagement. Stakeholder engagement involves identifying and involving all relevant stakeholders throughout the project life cycle. This includes regular communication, feedback mechanisms, and stakeholder analysis. Effective engagement ensures that stakeholder needs and expectations are considered and managed. Performance measurement. Performance measurement is about tracking project progress and performance against defined metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs. This involves regular reporting, performance reviews, and variance analysis. Effective performance measurement helps identify issues early and ensures that the project stays on track. Compliance and risk management. Compliance and risk management ensure that the project adheres to relevant laws, regulations, and standards, and that risks are identified, assessed, and mitigated. This includes establishing compliance checks, risk registers, and regular risk assessments. Effective risk management helps minimize threats to project success. Benefits of effective project governance. Effective project governance offers numerous benefits, ensures alignment with organizational goals, enhances decision-making quality, improves resource utilization, increases stakeholder satisfaction, reduces risks and enhances compliance, ensures accountability and transparency. Common challenges and solutions. Common challenges in project governance include lack of clarity in roles, inadequate stakeholder engagement, and poor decision-making processes. Solutions involve establishing clear governance structures and rules, implementing robust stakeholder engagement strategies, defining structured decision-making processes and criteria. In conclusion, project governance is a fundamental aspect of project management as outlined in ISO 21500 by establishing a clear governance structure, defining roles and responsibilities, implementing robust decision-making processes, engaging stakeholders effectively, measuring performance, and managing compliance and risks. You can ensure that your projects are aligned with organizational objectives and delivered successfully. Thank you for your attention. Now I'd like to open the floor for any questions you might have about project governance and ISO 21500. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.